Next up on the chopping block is this radiator fluid reservoir. It's starting to get kind of cracked and old and just kind of corroded. So I'm going to replace that with this one. Much better. Out with the old, in with the new. So here's the new overflow tank. I definitely feel much better driving it around without all the cracks over here. It's pretty easy to replace. I just pinched off the hose here with some vice grips, and there's another one down here. And then 2 screws, one right there, and another one right there. And then you just unplug it, remove this wiring harness, and it comes right out. Easy enough to do, especially if you've got some of the drying out and the cracks, and you might see even a little bit of radiator fluid leaking out from it. So yeah, look good. Here's another thing I want to get fixed on the Golf. This is the headliner. See, it's coming down pretty good. Yeah, it's getting everywhere too. It's nasty. So I'm gonna get that fixed pretty soon. I'll show you the process. You can tell it's been sitting outside for a little while, and it's just really dirty. But it's got an intake on it, and it's stage 1 APR tune. So it should be fun. I'm going to take it to get the engine bay detailed. Any of y'all like VW buses? I do. I got one on my shirt.